to cancel Super Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can cancel Super Duolingo. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to cancel your Super Duolingo, these are the process that you need to follow in order to do it. First of all, open up your Duolingo app on your device. After that, you'll be able to see this home interface of the Duolingo app, and you just need to head over to the face icon at the bottom. After that, you can see your profile here. So you're just going to click on the settings at the top right. After clicking on it, if you have subscribed to any of the plans of Duolingo, you'll be able to find a subscription option when you scroll down a bit. And you just need to tap on it. After tapping on subscription option, you should be able to see a cancel subscription option. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you need to give a reason why you want to cancel your subscription. After giving in the reason, you just need to type in your password and everything. Just go on with the verification process and you should be able to cancel your subscription on Duolingo just like that. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to cancel Super Duolingo very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.